close and hold me fast. The magic spell you cast, this is la vie en rose. When you kiss me, heaven sighs, and though I close my eyes, I see la vie en rose. When you press me to your heart, I'm in a world apart, a world where roses bloom. And when you speak, angels sing from above. Everyday words seem to turn into love songs. Give your heart and soul to me, and life will always be la vie en rose. I thought that love was just a word they sang about in songs I heard. It took your kisses to reveal that I was wrong and love is real. Hold me close and hold me fast. The magic spell you cast, this is la vie en rose. When you kiss me, heaven sighs, and though I close my eyes, I see la vie en rose. When you press me to your heart, I'm in a world apart, a world where roses bloom. And when you speak, angels sing from above. Everyday words seem to turn into love songs. Give your heart and soul to me, and life will always be la vie en rose. La da 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 da.
The technicians confer without much hope. An oil union has broken and there's no chance of going on. Fangio brakes and corners perfectly. This corner is a classic test of driving skill. Speeds are reduced a little now, for the road is getting slippery with rubber and oil left by the cars. But there goes Fangio again, still driving a hard race. In their glass box, Commandant Lameau and his timekeepers check the passage of each car and calculate the average speeds. This race is creating a new set of records. These two cars have not been parted throughout the race. Only 6 laps to go. Nothing to report in the past half hour. But you wouldn't think so, watching the Argentinian commentator broadcasting to Fangio's supporters in South America. He started talking nearly 3 hours ago, and the marathon has another half hour to run. For Neubauer, the race is over, and won. Over 300 miles of superlative driving behind them, the Mercedes pair press on to victory. And Monsieur Backen's checkered flag puts the seal on Fangio's win. And there he goes on his tour d'honneur. And while the other cars are stopped at the pits, the two Mercedes take their bow around the circuit.
Des yeux qui font baisser les miens, un rire qui se perd sur sa bouche, voilà le portrait sans retouche de l'homme auquel j'appartiens. Quand il me prend dans ses bras, qu'il me parle tout bas, je vois la vie en rose. Il me dit des mots d'amour, des mots de tous les jours, ça me fait quelque chose. Il est entré dans mon cœur une part de bonheur dont je connais la cause. C'est lui pour moi, moi pour lui dans la vie. Il me l'a dit, l'a juré pour la vie. des nuits d'amour à plus finir, un grand bonheur qui prend sa place, des ennuis, des chagrins s'effacent, heureux, heureux, en mourir. Quand il me prend dans ses bras, il me parle tout bas, je vois la vie en rose. Il me dit des mots d'amour, des mots de tous les jours, et ça me fait quelque chose. Il est entré dans mon cœur une part de bonheur dont je connais la cause. C'est toi pour moi, moi pour toi dans la vie. Tu me l'as dit, m'as juré pour la vie. Dès que je t'aperçois, alors je sens dans moi mon